Good morning, students. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are continues from to the chapter 6th. Name of the chapter is Social Responsibility of the Business and Business Ethics, part 2nd. This is the business studies topic. We are starting from this the first part, which students has been come through the first time in this session, so you must be watch their first part of this video. I will also drop their link in my description box. Without wasting your time, we are starting from this session. Before starting this, I will thanks to my all viewers which has been helping to me achieve their 1000 subscriber, and I will also be set for a task with the help of your all viewers. I will achieve their 2000 subscribers, so all students will be helping to me and subscribe my channel and
You ready? Let's go.
share with others. Now we are starting from this session. This session is based upon to the business and environment protection. ਅੱਜ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਸੈਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਵੀ ਬਿਜ਼ਨਸ ਤੇ ਇਨਵਾਇਰਮੈਂਟ ਦਾ ਪ੍ਰੋਟੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਦਾ ਕੀ ਲਿੰਕ ਆ। ਵੀ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਵੀ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਇਨਵਾਇਰਮੈਂਟਸ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਉਹ ਦੋ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ, ਇੱਕ ਸੋਸ਼ਲ ਇੱਕ ਮੈਨ ਮੇਡ, ਅਤੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਨੈਚੁਰਲ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਵਾ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਵਾ, ਨੈਚੁਰਲ ਰਿਸੋਰਸਿਸ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਵਾਟਰ, ਲੈਂਡ, ਰॉ ਮਟੀਰੀਅਲਸ, ਮਿਨਰਲਸ, ਅਤੇ ਮੈਨ ਮੇਡਸ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਦੁਆਰਾ ਕ੍ਰੀਏਟ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਜਿਵੇਂ ਕਿ ਸਾਡੇ ਕਲਚਰਲ ਹੈਰੀਟੇਜਸ, ਪਿਊਪਲਸ, ਇੰਸਟੀਟਿਊਸ਼ਨ, ਇਹ ਸਾਰੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ। ਵੀ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਪੋਲਿਊਸ਼ਨ ਆ ਉਹ ਸਿਰਫ ਹਿਊਮਨ ਬੀਇੰਗਸ ਨੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ ਇਫੈਕਟ ਕਰਦਾ, ਐਜ਼ ਵੈਲ ਐਜ਼ ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਨੈਚੁਰਲ ਸਪਾਈਸਿਸ ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ, ਨੈਚੁਰਲ ਰਿਸੋਰਸਿਸ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਇਫੈਕਟ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ। ਤਾਂ ਕਰਕੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਗੌਰਮੈਂਟ ਆ ਅਤੇ ਐਜ਼ ਵੈਲ ਐਜ਼ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਬਿਜ਼ਨਸ ਔਰਗਨਾਈਜੇਸ਼ਨ ਨੇ ਕੁਛ ਅਜਿਹੇ ਵਰਕਸ ਕੈਰੀ ਆਊਟ ਕਰਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਨਵਾਇਰਮੈਂਟ ਨੂੰ ਪ੍ਰੋਟੈਕਟ ਕਰ ਸਕੀਏ। ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਦੇਖੋ ਹੁਣ ਸਾਡੇ ਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਵਾ ਵੀ ਟਾਈਪਸ ਆਫ ਪੋਲਿਊਸ਼ਨ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹ ਸਾਰਾ ਕੁਝ ਪੜ੍ਹ ਚੁੱਕੇ ਹਾਂ। ਜਿਵੇਂ ਏਅਰ ਪੋਲਿਊਸ਼ਨ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ, ਦੈਨ ਵਾਟਰ ਪੋਲਿਊਸ਼ਨ, ਦੈਨ ਸੋਇਲ ਪੋਲਿਊਸ਼ਨ, ਐਂਡ ਲਾਸਟ ਵਨ ਇਜ਼ ਨੋਇਸ ਪੋਲਿਊਸ਼ਨ। ਥੀਸ ਆਰ ਆਰ 4 ਮੇਨ categories of the pollutions which has been affecting to the environment. The more involvement in these kinds of the pollution, they have been a human is a main cause and main persons which has been responsible to make these kinds of the population make these kinds of the pollutions. So we all are human beings, so we have been powers to be stop this and reduce these kinds of things by the using of reusing and other processes. So that's why you have been makes the earth for all the living organism, and they will be always survive in this earth. Now that was to the air pollution. How can be air pollution has been affected and which can be responsible for the air pollution? There have been chemicals are releasing from through the harm gases. When the industries has been set up into their populated cities, so they will be have giving their chemicals and their other things which has been using in the industries, which has been affecting to the resources of natural resources. They can be a burning and gases which has been harmful for the air. So that's why the air will be affected, and there will be air pollution will be caused, and the air pollutions can be affecting their breathings and others diseases of the humans and animals. So that's why we have been want to be reduce their air pollutions. Second one is the land. In the land we have been know that we land which has been used by the humans for their commercial purposes and non-commercial purposes. When the industries has been set up into the land, so they will be using these kinds of the land for their chemicals and other things which has been affecting to the earth surface as well as their land's fertility. For example, the farmers will be has been using their modes of their fertilizers and pesticides to improve their productions. So which has been an effect to the soil will have been observing this, and they will be mix out into the groundwater, so that will be affecting to the water resources as well as their lands. Then when you have been affected their soil pollution, so it can be have been injured. They have been wastage of to the injuries, poisons which has been mixing up there for their affecting to the animals, as well as these chemicals which has been pesticides which has been used by the farmers onto their farming area. So that's why this chemical also be eaten by the human beings, so therefore they are affecting to the humans also. So must be farmers and other things has been using their organic pesticides and fertilizers, so they will be also improve their production capacity, and also be helps to their soils to improve their fertility. Then third one is pollution, air pollution, noise pollution, sorry, the noise pollution which has been produced by the excess loud noises which has been created by the industries, vehicles, and loudspeakers, which has been affecting to their noise. And this is the main causes which has been people will be suffering of the problem of deaf, because they will cannot be listen their all their things. So that's why the noise pollution has been affecting to the human as well as the animals. So with the excessive noise, the environment has been interface with the animals and communication, so it will be also harmful for the humans into the sounds and navigations and hunting. So that's why the noise pollution also will create the biggest problem in the front of the human beings. Last one is the most important and the most affected by the pupils. There will be a water pollution. The water pollution has been affecting, there was toxins for the humans and industrial waste to be introduced into our water supplies. So like there we have been not to be a proper treated of their sewerages plants and their wastages which has been composed by the industries. They can be meted into the water resources, so they will be affecting in this. So the air water pollution has been increased. So how can be affected their water pollution to the human beings? The water can be a medium of the many pathogens, so they can be a causes to their disease, like to their consume of to the humans and animals, because the water is a necessary thing. So without water any cannot be survived by the living and non-living things. So that's why the water is the most important things. But when it is be polluted, so they will be creating so many problems for humans and animals. Then next is how can be a pollution preventions and control, how to be a control there. The first was is a reduce. When you have been reduce their wastage things like which has been decompose and other things which has been, you must be reduce these kinds of like their polythenes, plastics, we should be always reuse these kinds of things, because these things has been affecting to the environments and create their number of pollutions regarding their air pollution, water pollution, everything. So that's why their reduction is a main control, how controlling to the pollutions. Second was eliminate those things which has can be easily composable and easily composed by the environment and natural environment. So you will be a use their things, and you cannot be a use there which things which has been a harm there. You eliminate these kinds of things like polythenes, then thermocols, these kinds of the things cannot be easily composed. So that's why they will be creating their number of kinds of the pollution. So you should be eliminate these things and avoid these kinds of things, and using replace and natural things which has been helps to the prevents the pollution. Next I got treat the you should be also be a treat there these kinds of things which has been happening in the society. For example, the sewerage, when you have been collected, the governments has been making some kinds of the programs, so help to their reduce their water pollution. They can be a treat their severages and collecting in the wastewater in the one place and try to be a filtrate and gives this water kind to the farming purposes. So it will also be a solve their problems like of to the wastages of water, and as well as these kinds of the water will be used by in the farming. They will be also provided their minerals with the help of these kinds, so you should be also be treated there. Then segregations and dispose, which things has been you should be disposed, which has been cannot be used, and we cannot be reuse these kinds of things. So you should be also be compose those things which has been easily composed in the environment and natural ways. So you should be use those kinds of things. Next is role of to the Venus into the environmental protection. How can be a Venus helping to the protect their environment? So there was first is the top management commitment. The first is the Venus which has been run by the top management. There have been three phases into the management there. First top, second middle, and the last one is the lower level. And the top level is has been a person which has been committed that you ensure that you should be a perfect and provide their better environment. So you must be making there these kinds of the policies and rules, so which has been helping to their governments to protect their environment, because it is not only necessary for the human beings, their governments. This has been also be responsible for the Venus. So Venus which has been you will run in the which place, so you provide their responsibility, which has been responsible for that we provide their better human conditions and environment conditions. Second one is a clear out of to their policy and program, which you have been making there some kinds of policies and program to improve their environments and helps to be protect their environments. If their business and their top management has been making their these kinds of policy which has been reduce their pollutions in that area where have been their business has been a setup. Next one to abiding by their government regulation, which has been government always be a set up there some kinds of rule and regulations for their businesses and industries. So that's why these industries can be a follow the rule regulation and helping to their government to achieve their goals, like that be a protection of the environment, animals and other things. Next point is the participation of the government programs. The business has been also we are responsible to participate in their government program, because the government have been making so many programs to improve the environment conditions, and also we are trying to protect their environments. So the business organization also we are helping in their government programs, like that we are plantations and conservations of the soils and forest. So all the business organization which has been helping to the government program to improve these kinds of their policies and participating in these kinds of programs and helping to their governments. Next is periodically assessment of to their pollution control programs. The in every states and each of the union territory which has been making their pollution control boards. These boards are helping to the us to assess the problem and assessment of their particular areas problems related to their pollutions, and they will be giving there so many kinds of the policies and procedure how to be control these pollutions. And these boards are be responsible to control their particular pollution in that area. For example, that was the India Taj Mahal, which has been situated into the Agra. They have near about there so many industries are there. They have been creating their air pollution. So that's why the color of to the Taj Mahal will has been changes into the yellow color. So the government will be and pollution control board will be have giving notice to these kinds of industry to please shut out their business, reduce your pollutions. So that's why they will be improve their quality of the air. So these are we are helping their programs, and they're making their so many kinds of their schemes and policies to make these control their air pollutions, any other pollution. Next is and last point of this session is that their proper educations and their training of concerning people. So there will be a number of the institutes and governments organizations providing their education related to the how to control their pollutions, and they will be giving their number of ways and process how to be control these kinds of things. They will be trained to the number of pupils, which has been helping to the government and as well as their locality to pollution free environments. So these are we are helping by the with the help of the these kinds of organizations. The people have been giving providing there so many kinds of awareness programs, like they will be making there some kinds of dramas, playwritings and other things, which has been helping to and show their pupils to how to be environment is important for us. And the business organization also be sponsor these kinds of things and providing their facility to the other people, so they will be also be aware about their environments. So this is the session. I hope you will be like this session, because this session is making onto the my English only for English. I will cannot be use there any kind of Hindi or Punjabi. So I hope this is session will be you must be all like, so which has been kind of the problem which has been you faced by this. So please write in my description box. I will also be give their first part video link in my description box, so you will go from my description box and click onto the first part video and watch this video, and after that you should be go from to the second part. Thanks a lot watching for my session. I hope you all are we are good with your works, and you also be try to be improve yourselves. Thanks a lot watching for my